First word that comes to mind is blown away. It's never on somebody's radar to think that they're going to be Fire Instructor of the Year. At least it wasn't on my radar. So blown away, humbled, overwhelmed, happy then, you know, obviously after it all settled in and the calmness calmed down a little bit. Definitely happy and grateful for sure.
Chief Peak, amazing guy. He knows a lot, smart, you know, he's honest. He's a great guy.
The award kind of just is a representative of what Travis has put into the program. You know, all the hard work and dedication that he has not only to his industry, but to the students that he serves in his class.
I wanted to join the fire science because I just seen it was just great, honestly. I had friends here that was doing the fire department stuff, and it looked really cool.
Just from the ground up, showing them little step by little step, because usually we're teaching this to adults, at least 18 and up or whatever, that have some life experience. But now we're teaching to kids that don't have much life experience, especially in the fire side. You know, they don't have anything, so you really have to slow it down and make sure that they're covering all the bases and they're putting their gear on properly. Everything's buttoned up and everything's tight, just so we can make them as safe as possible. It's cool to see them finally break through and like, oh, okay, I get it, you know, or turn into that leader in class because they're just advancing so well and excelling in the class. So yeah, rewarding, fun. There's plenty of words, challenging, like I said.
I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt that we got good people that care about kids. They care about people in general, and so I think it's about strengthening what we're offering right now, and then maybe taking a look at some different things that may fit the needs in our community. Goshen High School is providing students with so many different opportunities, and so we just play a role in providing those opportunities to students and then trying to do it at a really high level.
I think we all in these positions want to be a good role model, give them someone to lean on, maybe that they don't have. And the kids, obviously that's the goal of this program, is to get good firefighters. That's what we want out of this program. But I think in the end, if we're teaching these kids some life skills, we're just making some good humans out of these programs and can give them those life skills they never had to continue on. Like, I think that's the ultimate goal.